Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is chwarae, which means play. Chwarae, as in chwarae rugby, play rugby. Chwarae, play.